Today I'm going to teach you how to add a GPX file to Google Maps. This is incredibly useful if you've recorded a route on a GPS device or downloaded a trail and want to visualize it properly on a map. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Google My Maps. You can do this by typing Google My Maps into your search bar, or you can go directly to google.com/maps/d. Once you're on the Google My Maps page, you'll see all your previously created maps if you have any, but for now, we're going to start fresh. Look for the button that says Create a New Map and click on it. This will open up a blank canvas where you can start building your custom map. You'll notice a pop-up or a new window appearing with various options. Go ahead and click Create to confirm that you want to start a new map project. This sets up your workspace and gives you access to all the tools you'll need. Now, on the left side of your screen, you should see a panel with several options. One of these options is labeled Import. This is the key feature we need to bring your GPX file into Google Maps. Click on Import to open the File Upload interface. This tool allows you to add various types of location data, including GPX files, which contain GPS coordinates and route information. After clicking Import, you'll see a dialog box appear with the option to select a file from your device. Click on Browse to open your File Explorer. This lets you navigate through your computer's folders to locate the GPX file you want to upload. Take a moment to find the correct file, whether it's in your Downloads folder or somewhere else you've saved it. Once you've located your GPX file, click on it to select it, then confirm your selection. The file will now begin uploading to Google Maps. Depending on the size of your GPX file and the complexity of the route it contains, this process might take a few seconds or a bit longer. Be patient and wait until the upload is fully complete. You'll know it's done when you see your route or waypoints appear on the map. And that's it. Your GPX file is now successfully imported into Google Maps, where you can view it, edit it, or share it with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.